on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have a very different video today, and I know you guys read the title and probably think I'm clickbaiting, but I'm not. It's kind of sad, but we have an issue. If we take a brief look at my yard and also my driveway and my yard over here and over here, you'll notice we kind of gathered up a fair assortment of cars. Now granted, that's a customer car, and that we'll talk about later. And that isn't even all of them. We have more in other locations because I really don't want my house looking like a scrapyard, yet it still is. So after a lot of thought, I made the decision to get rid of one of these two Subarus. So right here, we have a quarter, and on the back, we actually have an F1 car. So I thought it was quite fitting. So we got heads and tails. And what I'm gonna do, the hatch is gonna be heads, and the K is gonna be tails. So let's get you guys on the tripod and figure out which one of these bad units is leaving. I need to record for Instagram as well, so you guys will be on the tripod, and I'll be recording on my phone for Instagram. Here we go. This is the biggest coin flip of my life. It is tails. Just to show you guys, it is indeed tails, which means the K-STI is leaving. But I'm not just gonna sell this car. Let's take it for a little drive and I'll explain what we're doing. All right, let's fire her up. This thing honestly runs so freaking good. I'm gonna let it warm up for a minute and then we'll go for a little drive. One of my favorite things to do is give people rides in my cars. The reactions are always spot on. It makes for really good content, and honestly, I just love doing it. But one thing I love even more than that is to be able to give you guys one of my cars, because to experience one of these things is one thing, but to own one and be able to drive it whenever you want is a whole new level. So with that said, I am giving my K-swapped STI away, 750 horsepower car, and this thing is honestly a blast. Now, there are a few loose ends that I'm gonna button up over the course of the next month, such as motor mounts, power steering, little things like that, maybe a few additions as well, just to make this thing like the ideal driver-friendly swap. Like it's really well put together. There's just a few little things that I want to dial in, and it'll be perfect for really anyone that takes it. So I just pulled into a spot down the road to film some B-roll, but I want to explain to you guys how we set this up. So panzerbuilt.com, we just stocked the site with all new merch and a wide variety as well. We got anywhere from hoodies, t-shirts, shop shirts, to watches, air fresheners, jet tags, prints, you name it, we got it on the site. And yeah, it's the most I've ever had on there. So every $5 spent is an entry to win this car, and it's unlimited entries. So you guys can go all out, get it loaded up on entries, you can do whatever you want. But someone can be taking this car home for $5. Literally, either come to my house, pick it up, we can film a video, or I will ship it to your doorstep. And yeah, but I'm gonna be tying up the loose ends on this thing over the course of the next month. Really just get this thing ready for whoever takes it, because I want it to be as perfect as I can get it. there you have it. We're officially giving away the K-STI. And if you're watching this video, the site is already live. So head over to panzerbuilt.com, get yourself some entries. But I gotta head home because my mic on the camera is about to die. But when we get there, I'll show you guys what we already have at the house to start perfecting this build.
To get some motor mounts in this thing and really dial it in for the street, because this thing will be such a freaking fun street car.
Right here I have a rear-wheel drive K-series motor mount kit, and you essentially fab it together yourself, get it installed on the block, and then we can make the bracing that's currently under the car work with these mounts rather than just directly mounting to the engine. So we're planning to spend a night with Rodney over at Speed Fab and get these motor mounts essentially all done up. And then we just need to worry about the transmission mounts. The transmission was lowered about 2 inches, and that's solely to bring the engine down. Obviously the K sits pretty tall compared to an EJ, which is flat. So to eliminate having to cut the entire hood out and have the engine sticking like 4 or 5 inches through the hood, lowered it down, and now you can see the hood still is cut, but it's only cut in the scoop. So we can try to make like a custom closed scoop that fits it, and then it'll be completely under the hood. But with that said, it doesn't run your traditional STI transmission mounts. I believe they have just some sort of spacers in there right now, so we'll have to figure out a solution for a transmission mount to run bushings, but shouldn't be too hard. We'll figure something out for sure. But let's talk a little bit about the setup that's currently in the car. So I guess starting with this big shiny intake manifold. We have a Gato 8 injector manifold. I believe we have FIC 1000s as our primaries and then 2150s as our secondaries. You can see we got all 8 injectors all wired up. And then as far as fuel pumps, we have a radium dual hanger in the back with 2 Hellcats in it, 2 525s. So we got fuel for days in this car. Over here we have a PTE 6870 hooked to a custom manifold from Straight Fab, and also a custom catch can from them as well. And this actually integrates really nicely with the fuse box, as you can see. And yeah, pretty simple. Drain it right from the bottom, you're good to go. Now down in front, we have a custom 5-inch Straight Fab intercooler, and also my personal favorite headlights for this car, which are the Morimoto V1s. Now the engine has a 4-piston oil pump along with a 50-degree VTC cam gear and a custom K-powered rear-wheel drive oil pan that's been modified to fit this chassis. The biggest question I get about this car is how the engine is mated to the transmission, and that's with the help of Clutch Masters. So they made an adapter plate that goes from the K to the factory STI 6-speed, mates them together, and then we're running a twin disc Clutch Masters clutch with a hydraulic throwout bearing. That's pretty much the whole setup in there. It's a push style clutch rather than a pull style. So a little bit different than your factory STI in that case, but other than that, yeah, that's pretty much how it's set up. The car is also sitting on a set of Cygnus Performance coilovers, same ones I run on the hatch over there. And in my personal experience, I think they're some of the best coilovers you can buy for that price range. I've ran them for, 3 years now on the hatch. Had nothing but a good experience. So yeah, really happy with those. And if you watch the video where I bought the car, you'll know that it's set up on a Haltech, so you can have all the fun you want. I want to take this downpipe and exhaust off and slap one of my hood dumps from my hatch on here and play around with the rotational idle, because we all know how sick that sounds. But that pretty much summarizes all of the big stuff. You can see most of it in the video, so you kind of know what this thing's all about. Yeah, like I said, over the next month, we're just gonna be buttoning up the loose ends, making this thing as perfect as we can. And yeah, ideally I just want this thing to be an absolute joy to drive on the street, and it's really close with a few more things. It's gonna be sick. So I'm excited. I'm excited for one of you guys, whoever is gonna be taking this thing home. Remember, head over to panzerbuilt.com, get yourself entered to win this thing. We got a bunch of stuff up on the site. But that pretty much wraps it up for this video. It sucks we're letting this thing go so soon, but I need space, and at least we're keeping the hatch, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one, but until then, peace out. See y'all later.